Hi, my name is Emily and this is Sweet on Cars. You know, you don't have to be a dude to like cars. Take me for example. I love my Camaro, and I've been tinkering with cars ever since I was a little girl back in Baltimore. Other things I love? Baseball, horror movies, and Chinese takeout. But enough about that. Let's get down to business. Today we're going to teach you how to easily and properly wax your car while keeping it looking great and protected from all the elements. Today I have a great friend helping me out who I want you to meet, Vanessa Young.
Hi guys, I grew up with a great car dude for a dad. In fact, we're going to be washing his 1965 Shelby Cobra Replica right here in Scott's driveway. That's my dad right over there, Scott Young. He uses a high-quality micro-polish glaze to get his cars looking great.
Hey Scott.
Hi Emily, how are you?
I'm well, thanks.
Good.
So can you tell us a little bit about West Coast Classic Replicas?
Yeah, it's a company I started a couple years ago. I have always been fascinated and loved the Shelby 65 Cobras, and I decided that I wanted to build one, so I reached out to Factory 5 Racing. They're the leading company for building these kit cars, and I ordered mine, built it, fell in love with the whole process, and decided that I wanted to do it for other people. Most people can't afford a real Cobra, but they want the thrill and excitement of driving one of these and owning one of these. So maybe they don't have the technical skills or the time to build them, so I build them for them, and I'll build them to any specification they want.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So you're holding Mother's there. Can you tell us why you use the Mother's brand?
I use Mother's micro polishing glaze because it doesn't hurt the paint. It goes on easy, comes off easy, takes all the swirls out, and just it covers all the flaws up. And even though these are show quality paint jobs, there's always a little flaw that you want to hide, and this seems to do it. So.
Well, that's awesome. Thanks so much.
Thank you.
We're not only going to be waxing this beauty today, we're also going to be waxing my Camaro. But my Camaro isn't a show car. So what I'm going to do is use Meguiar's products, which suits me just fine. Vanessa, what do I have to do to get my car ready for the road?
First, we need a bonnet or microfiber towels. The bonnet. Microfiber towels to put on the wax and to take off the wax. We don't have to use a buffer because microfiber towels work just fine. It just takes a little more muscle and a little bit more time. You can pick up a buffer for under $30 at Home Depot or Lowe's, or even online. Some of the better buffers are made by DeWalt, Wen, Ryobi, or Torque.
So we're going to use Meguiar's for the Camaro and then Mother's for the Replica, right?
Correct. Perfect.
Don't worry, there are a slew of other brands you can use to really bring out that shine you're looking for.
If you can't use spot-free water and have to use city water, basically hose water, make sure to dry the car thoroughly with a microfiber towel. They're super gentle and perfect for the job. Let's do it.
I like to make sure that the car is so clean I can see my reflection in it.
A good coat of wax helps the water bead off in the rain.
Just put a conservative amount of wax on the bonnet and apply evenly on the section you're working on in small overlapping circles. If you have vinyl striping, avoid putting wax on it. Wax can get stuck in between the striping and it looks bad. Wax can also appear swirly on vinyl. We're here in Southern California, and recently we've been getting a decent amount of rain, so we suggest you also wax your lights and your windshield. This way it will help keep the water flowing right off and improve visibility.
A good coat of wax helps the water easily bead off in the rain and helps keep those yucky bug guts from sticking.
Yeah, not to mention bird crap, especially near the beaches. Seagulls are known to poop on parked cars just for their entertainment. We should note that it's best to do a car in sections, but you don't have to if you're in the shade or if it's a small car. If you use a buffer, you can apply wax all at once, change the bonnet, and take the wax off. Quick and easy, just like Vanessa is already doing. So I'm a perfectionist. I like to make sure I get into every nook and cranny. So pop your hood and really make sure you get in there. You're going to be driving around and people are going to see inside the crevices that you still have wax. That doesn't look good. So just either use a microfiber towel or a toothbrush and you'll be all set. So if wax gets stuck in between the badges, just use a soft bristle toothbrush to get it out. Beautiful. You want to take the wax off when it starts to get hazy. Just replace the bonnet and then get to work. I'm going to be using the buffer. Vanessa's going to be using the microfiber towel. Girl, let's see who finishes first. Just about done. Now, wasn't that easy?
Looks great.
It is now time to polish this amazing Shelby Cobra replica. I'm so excited. If you usually keep a coat of wax on your car and you don't trust car washes, we highly swear by the original California car duster. It's super quick and easy and it really just takes that surface dirt right off. Easy. We're going to use this micro polishing glaze. Just put a little bit on and apply it in small overlapping circles. Now, you notice how this car has a great stripe down the middle? This is a great paint job. But on newer cars, sometimes they're going to have vinyl striping. You're not going to want to use wax on the vinyl striping. Wax can get stuck in between the striping and it looks bad. Stay clear from that. It's not going to look good. Vanessa, can I get more of that Mother's?
Sure.
Thank you. You want to make sure you do the car in small sections. You want to make sure you swipe up, down, left, or right, and not in little circles this time. You want to make sure that you regularly flip your towel to keep it clean. Wow, this car looks amazing. It was super quick and easy, and that mirror-like finish was well worth the effort. Nice job, girl.
Nice job.
We're going to be making a lot more of these videos, so please subscribe and follow us on Sweet on Cars. Now, if you have anything you would like us to do, let me rephrase. If there's anything you'd like us automotive to do, send us a message. Thanks again. This is Sweet on Cars. Bye for now.